everyone, let's begin with a makeup tutorial. First step is to clean your face. I'm spraying some water on my face and gently cleaning with a dry towel. Now to hydrate my face, I'm spraying rose water from Senso and pat dry with the hands. You can use any toner or rose water of your choice. So next step is to moisturize your face. I'm applying Cetaphil moisturizer all over my face and give it a gentle massage till it gets absorbed into the skin. To blur my pores, I'm using Requit primer around the T-zone area. Now I'm using L'Oreal Paris concealer in the shade 314. I'm applying it over my dark circles, black spots and around the forehead. It gives you a single swipe finish to hide the dark circles and acne marks. Guys, this is the best concealer I have ever used. And now I'm spreading the pigment with a concealer brush from Wet n Wild. Now I'm gonna smoothen the concealer with a beauty blender from Posh Beauty. This beauty blender does its job really well and it's highly recommended. After concealer, now it's time for foundation. I'm applying Maybelline Fit Me foundation with the help of my index finger and covering all my face. Now I'm taking beauty blender and blending it by tapping on my face. It gives you a flawless makeup base. To add dimensions to the face, I'm contouring with the K-Beauty contouring stick. I'm applying it to give a depth look and contouring my nose to have a sharp and structured nose. With the help of beauty blender, I'm smudging it upwards and smudging the contour area of the nose with the point of the beauty blender. Moving on, to add warmth to my complexion, I'm mixing the shades of 2 lip color and applying it as a blush. Now I'm tapping the beauty blender to set the blush. Setting powder helps to achieve a polished and long-lasting look. I'm dabbing the sponge on the areas that need coverage and where the oil production is more. It prevents creasing and greasing. Now I'm dusting off the excess powder with the help of a fluffy brush. Coming on to my favorite part of makeup, that is eye makeup, where you can do a lot of variations, starting out with applying concealer on your eyelids and making it match with the rest of your face color. To spread it easily, I'm using the same concealer brush and spreading it all around the eyelid. Now I'm taking a beauty blender and blending it by tapping on my face. It gives you a flawless makeup base. To prevent crease, I'm setting it with a loose powder so that eyeshadow can blend easily. I'm picking up the transition shade from Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette with the help of a fluffy brush, dusting off the excess color and placing it on the outer corner of the eye. Now I'm smudging the color in a round motion in outer corner. To add more depth, I'm picking up the maroon color from the same eyeshadow palette and placing it after the transition shade, and now smudging the shade in a particular area. After that, I'm blending the two shades together to reduce the harsh lines and smoothens the eyeshadow. To enhance the eye look, I'm dipping my finger in golden pressed eyeshadow and placing it on the middle of the lid. I'm spreading it upwards and towards the inner corner of the eyelid. I'm blending the glitters with the transition shade in the outer corner to make it more soft. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Applying Maybelline eyeliner in the middle of the lash line, working outwards, then drawing a line from the inner corner towards the middle by connecting the two lines. I'm smudging a transition shade in the lower lash line to give it more depth. To have a voluminized and thickening eyelashes, I'm applying Maybelline Glossy Mascara. I'm looking downwards and brushing upwards. Now I'm gonna wipe up the excess foundation on my lips and clean it. I'm applying brown lip color from K-Beauty. On top of it, I'm applying liquid brown lipstick. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'm sweeping the powder blush towards the ample of my cheeks. To light up my whole face, I'm applying highlighter on the high points of my face. Now coming on to the part of eyebrow. To have more defined brows, I'm filling the areas with the grey brow powder. And last step is to set your makeup with a setting spray. Sorry, I mistakenly deleted this part of the video. So with this, my makeup look is completed. Hope you like this makeup look and do subscribe and like my channel.